What's good, everybody? Welcome back to Cadillac Cartoons, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a pregnant woman. Now in this video we are drawing a fully fledged character, but I'm only going to draw a medium shot of this character. What does that mean? So a medium shot is where you're seeing the head, the upper body, and then a portion of the lower body. So we're not going to draw this character head to toe. We're just going to focus primarily on the upper body because this is a pregnant woman, and to show that she's pregnant we're going to focus on the upper body. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to take my blue colored pencil, and I do like adding a little bit of color to my sketches, so you don't exactly have to use a colored pencil like I am. But what I am going to do is I'm going to start off drawing the head. So I'm going to start off with a circle. It's not going to be a perfect circle, so if this looks off, don't judge me. Just going to draw just a regular circle. It can be an ellipse, you can call it whatever. But that's going to be the circle, and that's what we're going to use to start off drawing the head. I do also have videos where I'm focusing on drawing the head and the face specifically at both the front view, 3/4 view, and also at a profile view. Links to those videos will be in the card, and there will be links to those videos in the description as well. So if you want to focus on drawing the head and the head only, then go for it. But that's what I'm doing right now. So in this video I'm just going to breeze through it, so we're not focusing completely on the head, or I'm not spending too much time drawing the head. So just gonna draw in just a random face shape. I'm not making this into a specific character, just, you know, drawing anything in. And then I'm also drawing the neck in. And then since we are focusing on drawing a fully fledged character, what I am going to do is mark out the movements that each body part is going to make. So like I said, this is going to be at a medium shot, so I'm only going to focus on drawing the torso or the main body, the upper body, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to focus on drawing the upper body and the arms, and then I'm going to throw in a little bit of leg movement going on too, because we will see the hips, we're going to see part of the leg, and that's it. So I'm going to start off by drawing a straight line, a horizontal line for the shoulders. And then I'm going to make a curved line like this. And that's for the upper body. And then I'm going to make another horizontal line. And that's where the hips are going to be. And then I'm going to sketch out the legs, or the movement of the legs, by drawing a stick figure in. So one leg is going to be in front. The leg that's on this character's right hand side, that's going to be in the back, like so. So this leg we'll see primarily, and then this other one will be behind everything. So we drew the body and the legs. Now I'm going to start off by drawing the arms. So because this is a pregnant woman, I want her arms to kind of rest on her stomach, or on her pregnant belly. So I'm going to have her left arm on one side, and then since her right arm we're not going to see much of because this is at a 3/4 view, I'm going to have it not be shown, and then I'm going to have a couple of fingers resting on the circular belly shape. So we're not going to see much of the arm, but we still will know that it's there, you know, because of these fingers right here. So I shouldn't need to draw these rectangles in, but that's my plan. So I can get rid of that for now. So we're going to keep that in mind. But real quick, I'm just going to finish up the sketch of the face. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to begin to draw the parts of the body. So let me speed through that real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, so I finished drawing the head, and now before we actually get to start drawing the pregnant belly, I'm actually going to start drawing the female torso itself. So I'm going to start off over here just under the shoulders. I'm going to make sort of a like a a clay pot kind of shape, like a flower pot kind of shape on this side. And then the midpoint of this line that we drew here, that's the midpoint of the torso. So you see how I'm kind of making that into like a potted plant kind of shape? That's what we're doing here. Except since this is a pregnant woman, we are going to add some breasts up here. Just like a small cup shape. And then another one on the opposite side, not up towards this line that we drew at first, but like a safe distance from it, you know? Alright, and then if you have to, which I really should have done, is I can move the hips upward a little bit if you feel, or if you don't want to make this woman extremely tall, you can move the hips up a little bit, which I should have done, because it looks off to me. That's just how I say it. But a way to fix that, another way to fix that would be to extend this shape by moving this down. So you see what I'm doing here? I'm making this flower pot shape a little bit longer or taller. Yeah, now see the proportions look better now. So now if I come off of this little if I come off of this section here and then make a curve, see, it still seems off. So if you have to move this hip line up a little bit, then you can do that too. So I'm going to move that up. And then keep the leg movement the same. And then we can go back to drawing the movement of the legs. Just complete the thigh that's on my right, the character's left. And then you can finish drawing the torso by making this same curve, but this is at a 3/4 view, so we're not going to match this curve. But we are still going to make one on the opposite side, like so. And the crotch, that's going to be what this is. Alright. And now that we got the female body in, if I can get rid of all these, I'm going to get rid of all the guidelines that we made, or the stick figure lines I want to say. So we're going to get rid of those because we don't need those anymore. Alright, so now all we see is the female torso. So now from this breast all the way towards the crotch, we are going to make a big circle. Like so. We don't need to do anything to this side, so that will stay the same, but everything underneath that circle we just drew, we can now erase. And now we can fulfill drawing the arm for this character, because my plan from earlier was to make one of her arms rub on her belly, and then the other arm, like I said, it won't be seen as much. So we're just going to draw portions of it in along with the hand on that side, so that way we can get a feel of there's two hands rubbing on this pregnant belly. So we also fulfilled doing the medium shot, because the legs, we don't have to go any further than the legs unless you actually want to draw the full body, which I'm not going to do in this video. So let's go back up to the arm, and I'm just going to start drawing it in. Gonna have the shoulder being elevated just a tiny bit. And have this arm resting on the belly. or this hand I meant, resting on the belly. And I just draw like I just drew like a glove kind of shape or an oven mitt kind of shape on the belly. And then real quick I just add the fingers in. I did also make videos on drawing hands. I made 3 videos actually. 2 of them are present on YouTube. The other is exclusive on my Patreon. So if you want to learn how to draw hands, or you want to pick up on some of my tips on drawing hands, 2 of those how to draw hand videos are on YouTube, and the other is on Patreon. There will be a link in the description to get to my Patreon to access that 3rd how to draw hands video. But I'm not doing anything special with this hand here. But now that we're talking about hands, I can begin to draw that rectangle that I drew earlier. It's gonna go around the contour of the belly, or on this side at least. Alright, and then I'm gonna start drawing in part of the arm. And then if you want to, you don't have to go exactly with this pose that I'm doing, because I do have revised plans to make this arm go right about here. But this still works in my opinion. So I'm gonna leave this how it is, and then I'm gonna erase all the body parts that we don't need. And then what I am gonna start doing is adding some clothes to this character. I'm not doing anything fancy like I did with the head. I'm not doing anything fancy. Just adding in some just anything basically. Just gonna finish up drawing just any shorts on the character, like leggings, I guess. I don't know what women wear like that. And then if you want to add emphasis to this belly, you can make the shirts seem a little bit small on this character by having the belly shown underneath it. And then like a little belly button underneath it. And then don't forget the collar. Every shirt has a collar. And then if you want to add any other modifications or adjust the weights or the thickness of any part of this character, you can do so, which I'm about to do myself. So I am going to erase these pencil lines now, the blue pencil lines specifically. I'm going to start erasing that and begin finalizing the sketch. And I'm going to use my 8B pencil because it gives a dark line to my sketches. But what I used earlier was a HB, but HB gives off dark lead because you can see that. You can see how dark that lead is that I made earlier. But I'm gonna make the lead down here a little bit darker with this 8B. But this is just part of the process for finalizing my sketches. I do also have a video on doing that. There will be a link in the card to get there. But that's all I'm doing for now because we pretty much finished drawing this character. Just want to go in and add any other specifications if I wanted to. And also explain some parts that I may have missed during this process. Like the hands. Like see over here, I didn't draw any of the fingers in. I just drew like small rectangles to help. It's like a placeholder to me until I can actually draw them in properly. Kind of like a guideline. And then we are seeing part of this arm over here. Gives it a little bit more perspective in a way. So that way you know that there is a second arm over here. And then part of the skin is showing down here. Circle belly, belly button. And then draw in the legs. And I am going to add a little bit of wrinkles to the shirt, like so. Add a V-neck. You can add whatever V-neck you want to add. And then I'm drawing the neck. I didn't do that earlier, but I'm doing it now. And just coloring that in. Alright, and there we go. That is how you draw a pregnant woman. So if you like this video or if you found it useful, give it a like and a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And I'll see you in my next video.